Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number page differently. So if you want to create number page differently, we can use the section brick. You can go to the layout and then click on brick. Now we can choose the next page for the section brick. As example, I will click at the end of this page, the first page, and go to bricks, click on the next page. So we have this next page. And to create for the number on page, you can click on the header or footer, click double click, and then go to page number. As example, I will set in bottom of page, set into display number 3. So it will be create the number 1 and also the number 2 in the page 2. I will change again in this number page. You can double click, sort, right click, and then you can go to format page number. As example, I will set another format into this format, and then I will set star into 1. Click OK, and it be automatically set the number of page differently. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to number page differently. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.